first day is dedicated to the scientific aspects.
And this information, this data, informs the conservation approach.
Which is an unique aspect of UHPC.
Ability of the concrete material to repair the microcracks by itself.
Exactitude, put the material exactly where it's needed.
To move from the material to the energy performance, we need some measurements.
No? Because sometimes maybe in the initial part of the mixing,
we are ready to prepare our mixtures today to have our practical part of the workshop.
Just fine. You are going to apply the mixture that we would prepare.
Things that are already prepared and measured. You try to. Thank you.
So this is the mixture. We have to have a large area. You can apply it straight.
If you want to put a thick
Drains. So this is the same slab. Camps. And here is reference. For reference, for camp, the front on the surface.
because they are very brittle. So that is. No, again. Okay.
Simple setup. It looks very simple and it works also very simple. It is a stabilized heating plate. It's
Self-sensing, we can.
You can do conductive concrete.
I can do it.
You lift the lid so now it's off and now it's on.
Is the ambition, that is what we work a lot on, transforming waste into a resource by exploiting industrial byproducts, waste materials towards higher performance, improved performance of building materials.
People often focus on the insulation of buildings, but PCMs do have this actively absorbing and releasing energy, which can stabilize the internal temperature and reduce the need of heating and cooling.
For the project point of view, dissemination is the key to find the right, stakeholder to present.
And the superpower of a good communicator in science is to gain the trust of scientists.
There are a lot of interesting things about change-phasing materials, how they absorb the energy and how they release it to the environment, which was something I didn't know.
I don't think there is only one material that is super cool. I think there are a lot of materials and you need to research and find new solutions to see which one is the one that apply for you.
I think it's multidisciplinarity and the ability to understand other people's needs and translate them to digital processes. This and an eye for a detail.
Replacing something and making it the exact copy is not conservation. This is a replica, this is a fake thing. Conservation is taking care of the original, making it last as long as possible.
What we really like is to spend more time thinking before trying.
And there's a section input data, so here you give the other data for your material, because it's not just about heat capacity, there's the conductivity and all the rest.
Very, very useful for ourselves as a scientists first, in order to be updated with new technologies and new strategies, for students in order to familiarize with what we can do, because
And it's now the opportunity for the applicants to present their feelings and their ideas on how they could use the materials for the renovation of the historic building of roads.
So we chose TRM, which was a material of light intervention. It's easily also taken off if it needs to be taken off as well.